So this is me 9 months ago before I came to NHI Medical and met Dr. Jae Pak. It's been a pretty great improvement, as you can see. I came in for the FUT procedure and it's been life-changing so far. There's a huge world of people that are considering the procedure that I was not aware of until I had the procedure. And then it's like, everyone and their mom came up to me and was like, hey, I've actually been thinking about it too. And I was like, I've got a doctor you can see. So open houses, they're pretty cool. They have it on the weekends. You get to see a procedure, you get to see the facilities. My dad found you, actually. My dad's a doctor. So he recommended you guys. He said that like, hey, look, they've got a lot of great reviews. I like the work that they've done. I looked at it, I think that they're good guys. You should go meet them. I highly recommend NHI Medical. I highly recommend Dr. Jae Pak.